Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to talk about numerical expressions. And by the end of the lesson, you should be able to answer the question, how can you use a numerical expression to describe a situation? So we're going to start by looking at what a numerical expression is. It's a mathematical phrase that has numbers and operation signs, but does not have an equal sign. So if we look at this, unlock the problem. It says, Tyler caught 15 small bass, and his dad caught 12 small bass in the Memorial Bass Tourney in a town in Pennsylvania. Write a numerical expression to represent how many fish they caught in all. So here it says choose which operation to use. You need to join the groups of different sizes. So you're going to use addition. So 15 small bass plus 12 small bass. So 15 plus 12 represents how many fish they caught in all. So here it says example 1, write an expression to match the words. So for the first one, it says addition. Emma has 11 fish in her aquarium. She buys 4 more fish. So 11 plus 4. Here, this is a subtraction problem. So Lucia has 128 stamps. She uses 38 stamps on party invitations. So 128 minus 38. Here we're looking at a multiplication problem. Carla buys 5 books. Each book costs $3. So we're going to multiply the number of books by the cost per book. And then we have 4 players share 52 cards equally, so it's division. So there's a total of 52 players divided by, or 52 cards, sorry, divided by 4 players. Go ahead and turn the page. Now sometimes we have different expressions with parentheses. So that means that the meaning of the words in the problem will tell you where to place the parentheses in an expression. So it means that's what we have to do first. So here, which expression matches the meaning of the words? Doug went fishing for 3 days. Each day he put $15 in his pocket. At the end of each day he had $5 left. How much money did Doug spend by the end of the trip? So think. Each day he took $15 and had 15 left. He did this for 3 days. Well, what expression can you write to show how much money Doug spends in one day? 15 minus 5. What expression can you write to show how much money Doug spends in 3 days? Well, the 15 minus 5 times 3. So which problem matches the expression 20 minus the quantity 12 plus 3? So Kim has $20 to spend for a fishing trip. She spends $12 on a fishing pole. Then she finds $3. How much money does Kim have now? So first we're going to list the events in order. So she has $20. Then she spends $12. Then finds $3. Do these words match the expression? Well, is she losing both the 12 and the 3? No. So Kim has $20 to spend for her fishing trip. She spends $12 on a fishing pole and 3 on bait. How much money does Kim have now? List the events in order. So again, she starts with the $20. She spends $12. Then she also spends $3, which means you can add those two together and subtract them from 20. So yes. So hopefully you have a better understanding of numerical expressions.